Bushimi Bubbly is this hot new product on the market. I highly recommend it.
Checkmate for Bushimi.
Why should you buy Bushimi Bubbly? Because there's nothing else to drink.
What else would you drink?
There's literally nothing else to drink.
Checkmate.
Checkmate.
And now a word from our sponsors.
If only I had some Bushimi berry. Bushimi, where are you? I have a sound. Bushimi Bubbly.